Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, let's talk about the top features of the POCO F1. Now already you might be aware of several features and options that pretty much this phone has to offer, because although this is made by Xiaomi, now there is some useful features given by Xiaomi that helps POCO to deliver some of the best features available in the market. And before we begin this video, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and do like this video if you find it helpful. Alright, let's begin with the top features of the Xiaomi POCO F1. Inside this camera settings, so I open the camera, and here what I have to do is to just tap on the three stripes and you go to the settings here, and inside the settings, as you go down, there is this anti-banding. If you see any flickers while you are capturing video or shooting photo, you just switch the anti-banding to 60 Hz and try it for yourself. The flickering will be reduced. Also the auto exposure settings, depending on what type of image you are capturing. Say that you are capturing flowers pictures or close-up shots, then switch to spot metering, because that is what you are doing with capturing flowers and close-up subjects. And if you are capturing persons images, tap this to center weight. And if you are capturing landscapes, always keep that to frame average. This is really important trick. And another thing to do here is to change the contrast depending on how your images appear. Say that your image is very saturated, you can always reduce the saturation from here. Say that your images are not sharp, you can always increase the sharpness from here. So these are the tricks that you can apply to enhance your image quality. Also to keep in mind is picture quality. Always keep this to high. If you want to save some space, you can always reduce the picture quality to standard or low. So this is the nice trick that's available on the POCO F1. Also focus and shoot. Tap to focus and then tap again to click a picture. So this is how you enable it. There is the dual camera watermark as well. So if I use the focus and shoot, so I tap here. If I tap over again, it clicks the picture. This is how you do it. Feature that I'm going to talk about is inside these tools, and here you can see the calculator. Now you might be thinking, what the heck, this guy is showing us the calculator, don't we know how to use the calculator? But wait, look at this one here. Have you seen the scientific calculator that's available in the same calculator option? You can use the scientific calculator such as the sine, cos, tan, even you can measure the pi value, pretty much all sorts of that, and you can even disable it if you don't like all that clutter. Another important thing that I would like to show you is here in the dots. If you just tap on these 9 dots, boom, there you go. Here are the conversions or other converters, I would say, such as you can measure the temperature, you can convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. How cool is that? You just tap on this, you can even change it to Kelvin, measure pretty much anything related to temperature. Now this is the temperature converter. If I just tap on that again, you can pretty much measure the length. There is the length converter, meter to centimeter, and if you just tap on any of these value, you can actually calculate and convert both the ways. So if I enter in centimeter, it shows me in meter, otherwise if I enter meter, it shows me in centimeter, all sorts of that. So that way you can calculate live currency exchange. And there is the mortgage calculator. You can also measure the volume. That's really awesome, and that's available in these sneaky little dots, which are 9 dots. So if you just tap on that, you have all those features over there. Now the second thing I want to show you here is the inside the security. Now as you guys know, if you just tap on this optimize, it pretty much scans everything and tells you how to optimize and what are the things that you need to clear in order to make some space available for the phone, as well as increase the battery backup. Now here's the trick. If you just tap on this battery, here's the battery saver, and pretty much all the information related to battery is available here. But the trick here is to just tap on this app battery saver, and here you will find all the applications that you have installed. Now say that you don't use the Outlook much. So what we can do is tap on this restrict background activity and say OK. Now this helps you boost battery quite a lot, trust me. So if you haven't used this, this is the feature you need to use right now. Say that I don't use Skype Lite much, I also choose the restrict background activity. and just tap on OK. You can do that to all the applications as well. It doesn't affect the performance, it rather boosts the performance of the applications and the phone itself and increases the battery backup. So this is the first thing you need to do. The second thing here is to do inside the settings, just tap on the settings, and here you will find turn off mobile data when device is locked. Now you don't want to run the internet always on even you have locked the device, right? So what you can do is turn off the mobile data whenever not in use. Say you have locked the device and it has been 5 to 10 minutes, and after that automatically mobile data will be turned off. That setting is available here. So I have kept it to 10 minutes. So after I have locked the mobile, after 10 minutes it will turn off the mobile data, and whenever I unlock the device it will turn it back on. So that's really cool feature to help save your battery. And another thing here is to clear cache when device is locked. So also this I have set to 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes after I have locked this device, in 5 minutes what it does is clears the cache memory and basically saves more space as well as give more battery backup. This is really cool feature, you should enable that too. So this is the trick that I wanted to show you. So this was the second feature, and also if you just tap on this battery saver you can enable or disable this. It depends on if you want to sync the apps or not. So that's the sync feature available there. And another trick here is to just go to the battery use, and here you will find all the applications you have installed, and say that you are not running the camera application but still it consumes battery. What you can do is just force stop, boom, there you go, you have saved still more battery there. So that's the trick you have to apply. This was the second feature, which is the battery. The third feature I am going to show you here is inside the security itself, and here's the app lock. Now if you want to lock the applications, this is the way you have to do. So let's create a pattern. Now I have chosen this simple pattern. You can choose the complex pattern and then tap on next, and here you can add the Xiaomi account. If you want, say that you forget the password or the pattern, and it will be emailed to you to that Xiaomi account. If you don't want to do that, just tap on not now. And you can also add the fingerprint unlock. Say you want to unlock the application with your fingerprint, you can also do that. So go to settings here, confirm your pattern, and here I register my fingerprint. Just keep tapping if you are new. So just add the fingerprint, and once it's done, it says added successfully. You can also add more fingerprints from here. So let's just say done. So you can add more fingerprint, lock screen, privacy password. You can use the app lock. Now just turn this on and take back. Now for all the apps you have locked, you can unlock it using your fingerprint. That's really cool feature. Now here are the applications that are locked, and here are the applications that are unlocked. Now what application you want to lock, just enable those, and if I just tap on the video here, now it's boom locked. Now if I use my fingerprint here, it's unlocked now. Now the application is open. So this is the way you lock the app, and there are a couple of tricks here I will show you quickly. Now while you are in this app lock, you just have to go to the settings here again, and inside the settings there is this lock setting. So this is really important. So when to lock the application, say that I use the application and take back the application. For example, I am using the Facebook, and just as I tap on this back button, it should be locked, right? So whenever you again tap on the Facebook, it should ask you for the password. So if you want to do that, change this to when device is locked or after exiting the app. This is really important. Otherwise the app keeps remained unlocked until you actually lock the device itself. So that's really important. So make sure you have chosen this option here. If I just use the video app here, so I use the fingerprint to unlock, boom, there you go. And if I take back the application and again I open the video, it should ask for the password. This is how you do it from this settings menu. If you want to unlock all the applications, you can do that. If you want to just delete the app lock feature itself, you can just go to the settings here and turn this off. Pin code, password that you have entered will be deleted and app lock feature will be disabled. Boom, there you go. If I just open the video app, it directly opens. This is how you use the app lock feature. So these are the top feature, these are my best features I would say in the Xiaomi Poco phone that should help you conserve battery, that should help you take better pictures, that should also help you save the applications or rather lock the applications. So these are the settings and tricks that I hope it helped you. If yes, hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and useful videos. Alright guys, see you all in another one. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.